Hello everyone and welcome to another Excel chat walkthrough video. I'm your host Kevin Kelly. Today we're going to be talking about using COUNTA and how to use that to count up non-blank cells in a range of data cells. So with that being said, let's get right into it. This is going to be a super quick and easy walkthrough video. The reason that you use COUNTA is to count up the number of non-blank cells, so anything that has any type of value, even if it's just blank text with quotation marks in between, it'll still count that. It actually counts up to 255 different types of values within Excel. So we're going to get right into it here. The syntax is very easy. It's just COUNTA, parentheses, and now it wants me to go get my range. So I'm going to select my range of cells here, and then close parentheses and hit enter. So as you can see, it gave me 7 as the number of non-blank cells, and if we look here, we can see all of the non-blank cells, so everything with a value was counted up, and it equals to 7. Like I said, very simple and easy to use. The syntax is also easy to use, and it's very helpful when you're trying to count up the number of non-blank cells within Excel without using conditional formatting or anything of that nature. So with that being said, thank you for tuning into this video, and we hope to see you next time.
Still have questions? Click to get help from a live Excel expert at Excel Chat.